Welcome to the virtual oyster shucking class. I'm gonna teach you how to clean, store, and shuck fresh oysters. We send overnight to you a package with 2 oyster shuckers, a Dutch towel to keep your hand clean, to protect your hand from the oyster and the knife, and of course, some oysters. Oysters from the East, West, or Gulf Coast. So they're always local to you. That is important because you want to learn what the flavor of your locality is. When you have questions, I'm going to answer those questions. What do I do when the oysters arrive? And how long are they fresh for? This class is about everything oysters, recipes, pairings. What do you like to drink with oysters? And how long are they fresh for? Minimal a week. And actually a little bit longer. But what do those oysters do in your fridge after a week? You should enjoy them right away. Let's get shucking!